All right, guys, we are back. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Check that out. The old Max will play around pretty good. I don't know how I'm gonna get back into that thing. Anyway, you guys, stick around for this one. We're going up on top of the hill right up there. We're gonna do a little cookout, ribeye steak. Oh man, Rocky Mountain Backcountry. We got a big announcement coming for you, so stick around to the end of the video. And woo, we're back, baby. Let's go. Why do people take the easy route? See that right down there? Let's go this way. On the trail, not off the trail. Maybe that answers the question, you guys. Check this out. Front end road up here, and the back end road all the way down there off the edge, but we made it. Let's ride. It's not as muddy as I thought it would be, so that's good. Like the last time I was in this wash, there was a spot that I couldn't get around. I think I found it. I'm not gonna go that way, and I won't fit that way, so wonder if we can go up here. It looks like there's a trail here, right? Is that a trail? That's a trail, you guys. It's covered with snow, but that's a trail. It is, I know it is. You ever heard there's an old song I remember. Give me 40 acres and I'll turn this rig around. Well, that's about what this old girl needs. She long. Did it. Now let's get out of here. Freaking glitchy GoPro. Hey, check it out, you guys. Welcome back to Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Woo! Look at that. We've been into tight stuff again. There's the proof right there. Anyway, you guys, whoo, how about this? Yeah. Why do I wait so long to get out and play? I love it. This is good stuff. How about the Max, you guys? Getting it done, Rocky Mountain Backcountry style. She might be long, but she'll get me where I want to go. Hey, guys, thanks for checking out another Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Ooh, this is where I'm at, you guys. I don't know if you remember the video or not, but right down there in those trees on the bottom, that's where I shot the first video with the off-grid camper that we did last year. And that was a year ago. Well, it was 11 months ago. So is that a year? That's close enough to a year. I got some big announcements coming for you guys. I'm going to share with you here by the end of the video. But right now, take a second to like if you do, subscribe if you haven't. You're not going to want to miss this summer coming up. Ooh, we got some good stuff coming. I'll share it with you by the end of the video. But right now, I'm gonna build a fire and cook up a steak. So hang out with me. Thanks again for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Whew. Got some firewood ready. I gotta break this up into a bunch of little smaller pieces because I'm using one of those. Actually, I'm using two of those little firebox type stoves. So check that out. But also, you guys, the reason, I gotta take off some layers here. Let me show you guys something. Woo. Check this out. Throw that up there. This vest right here, you guys. This vest I'm wearing was sent to me by a company called Doace. Anyway, I'm gonna link it down below. I think it's like 50 bucks for this heated vest. Battery goes in the pocket right over here. It's got heat in the chest, heat in the back, heat in the neck. Woo! I'm liking it. Shout out to Doace. Doace. I like it. Anyway, I'm going to put a link down below. You guys can go check it out if you want. Great. If you don't, great. I like it, and it's working great for me today. So let's do this. We got some fire going. Now it's time to let some coals build up and go from there. Oh, hey, by the way, check this out. This little stove right here, my son got me for my birthday. Sweet! Little titanium, dude. This one is one that you guys have already seen. And you can link to one of my other, or I'll drop a link down below or up in the corner here where you can check out this little stove. But good stuff, you guys. This is living right here. Hash browns and some steak. Oh man, you guys, steak fried in butter. Woo! Feed the flame. Good stuff. Woo, yeah. Both of those little dudes work great. Oh, look at the sear on that steak, you guys. Oh, good stuff. Holy cow. Put those hash browns right in there with that steak. I wish I would have brought some fungus mushrooms, you guys. I wish I would have brought some mushrooms. Oh, man. This is gonna be good. Who cannot enjoy this? This is Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Just gonna take a little slice off of that steak right there, you guys. Oh, yeah. Am I getting too excited about this? good. That is good. All right, I'm gonna plate this up and show you guys what we got. Check that out. Butter fried ribeye steak with hay grill hay beef seasoning and butter fried hash browns. Living good in the neighborhood. Oh wait, eating good in the neighborhood. All right, that's copyrighted. I might get shut down for that one. All right, so the big announcement. Let's get right to it. How about 2,500 mile round trip, overlanding, side by side, and a brand new overlanding trailer to go with it. Woo, that's right, you guys. We are going from central Utah all the way to the Canadian border, well, close to the Canadian border, Glacier National Park. From central Utah, right here, woo, that's home. We're going from central Utah to Glacier National Park on side-by-sides with the overlanding trailers. So I've got a brand new build coming up for the overland trailer. You're not gonna wanna miss that. So subscribe if you're into overland trailers, and subscribe if you're into overland UTV. Subscribe if you're into backcountry and hanging out in God's country. Oh man, it's good, you guys. Hey, I want to say thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. Thank you guys for all the likes, all the comments. Thanks to everybody that's already subscribed. And if you're not subscribed, do it now. We're gonna have a good summer. We got a lot of good stuff coming up. So anyway, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. We're gonna jump in the old Max. We'll be back real soon to start that new overland trailer build. So check it out. We'll catch you on the next one.